Hello everyone. In the second Python basics tutorial, we are going to see Python installation. So first step of Python installation is go to python.org in your internet browser. I'm going to python.org. This is the official website for Python. Here you can see all about Python. This is the official website. In the download tab, you can see all the OS. Your preferable OS, like whatever the OS you want to install, you can choose that tab and then go to here. And since this is the latest version of Python, if you click on it, it will download the latest version of EXE. If you want to go to Mac OS, you can click on this and you will see all the releases that is available for Mac OS, similar to other platforms like Linux or IBM, like that. So the steps will be different. You can follow the steps. It will be provided here. Since I'm using Windows, I'm going to choose Windows installer. I'm already downloaded this. You can click on it. It will immediately download your Python installer. I'm having this installer now. I'm having the previous version, but it is okay. The steps are common for all the versions of Python. So I'm going to double click on it. It will has two options, either install now or customize installation. And if you want to add this to Python path, you can check this. This will add the installed folder in the path environment folder path that will help to run your interpreter. If you click on this, it will immediately start installing. I'm going to click it. It will install this particular directory. Also, it will include IDLE, which means that Python ideally provides you to write code and then execute it, and deploy Python installation packages and documentation, create shortcuts and file association. All these things will be installed with this clicking. But instead, if you don't want to install any one of them, like IDLE, pip or anything, you can unclick it and then it will not install. I'm going to click anyway, and I'm going to click next. If you can see here, if you want to install in any other path, it will install there. I'm going to choose some random path, like even C folder itself. If I'm giving me, it will install in C folder. I'm going to create a folder called Python 37. Okay. Python 37 should be given. Python 37. So this is a folder path. I'm going to install Python, and if I install it, it will start installing. And you can see setup was successful. If I navigate to Python 3.737, you can see all the Python folders. If I want to check Python is installed, if I double click on it, it will open a command prompt. You can see that Python interpreter, it is opened, and you can see the installation version. If I type, like if I want to check Python is installed, you can run any command. If for Python command, I'm going to print hello world. It will print hello world. So if I want to do any mathematical operations like 4 and b equal to 2 and c equal to a divided by d. If I want, if I try to print c, it will print this value of c. So the Python interpreter is installed properly. So this is how you can install Python. So that's all for the video. Please subscribe this channel and follow this page. I'm going to continue to continuously, creating videos in Python, beginner, advanced, intermediate, and advanced, and as well as machine learning, data science, and Django, whatever that I know I have knowledge. I'm going to share with you guys. Thank you very much for watching this video.